So I've finally spent some proper time with the TVS RTX 300 in 2026, and here's my honest rider verdict. First impressions? This bike looks way more premium than a 300cc machine should. It's got that big ADV stance, wide tank, tall screen, and honestly, it turns heads everywhere you stop. Fit and finish feels solid, very TVS stepped up their game kind of vibe. Now the engine. It's a 290cc single, and in the city it feels smooth enough, easygoing, and beginner-friendly for an ADV. But once you push it on highways, you'll notice some vibrations creeping in around mid to high revs. Not deal-breaking, but it's there. Ride quality is where things get interesting. The suspension is tuned more for stability than plush comfort. So broken roads are handled well, but it's slightly firm in slow city bumps. Highway stability, though? That's the RTX's sweet spot. It feels planted, confident, and actually fun when you're cruising long distances. Features are loaded, riding modes, tech, and all the modern bits you'd expect. So is it worth your money? If you want a capable, feature-packed ADV under a premium price bracket, yes. But if refinement is your top priority, you might want to test Ride It first.